Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how I make my Nigeria pink milk. Join me as I take you along. I have my sugar, just a little bit of sugar. I have my milk, water milk. I will not be using all. This plate, I will use it to share the milk into two. Join me as we start. As you can see, I have separated the milk because I was having full carton of milk. So I just share it into two parts. So I'll be using this one and this one with this sugar. So let me take you guys along. My pot is here, well cleaned. This is the milk. As you can see, I've put the milk on. This is the sugar. Then I on my gas. You can put the gas on a low heat. The beginning you can high heat, but when you are getting closer, you reduce it. You reduce the gas. So all you need to do, you just start turning and turning. That's all you need. This is how you are going to be turning it before you get it right. This is can see, the color is changing bit by bit. You will turn it on, and normally sometimes it can take 40 minutes before it gets ready. You see, it's changing, as you can see. As you can see, the milk is reducing. In the beginning, when I started, it was not like this. In the beginning, when I started, it was not like this. We are getting closer. Little by little, we are getting closer. If you want to do Nigeria pink milk, either 30 minutes or 40 minutes, it will take a lot of your time. You see, the milk is changing. As you can see, we are almost good to go. It's getting to a time where you will lower the gas. So as you can see, I have lowered the gas. So now they see our pink milk. I don't fit do this. I don't fit do this one. Know how to make pink milk, and all my YouTube family, I will leave them behind. I will never leave people behind. My family, my friends. So I will always take you guys along. You see, now pink milk done ready. So I beg Mona go bring una custard. May we can use stay drink am. Now it's already. So we will leave it to cool. Then I will show you guys. As you can see, it's ready. See? As you can see, the milk is ready. You see, our Nigerian pink milk. Share my video, press like, share with your family and friends, and as you do so, God Almighty will bless you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, it's free to subscribe, guys. Thank you very much and God bless you. I love you guys. Bye. See you in my next video.